enjoy new things in life? Do you also not like the monotonous standstills of life? Do you like to meet new people? Believe me, you have got all the qualities of a volunteer. Do you want to keep strong your community strength? Then don't stop. Come join us. We are Safe Hand Rehabilitation Society. We will give you the opportunity to see life through a new angle. We will provide you with the gear for you to fly out heights and achieve new levels of life. Are you a writer, a traveler, a blogger, a photographer, a filmmaker, a researcher, a student, a journalist, a psychologist, an economist, a doctor, or a pilot? You can associate yourself as a volunteer with us with any skill, professional or college degree or diploma. You just need to be enthusiastic enough for this task. What is volunteering? Volunteering is the activity of serving people out of any greed according to our capacity and resources that makes our inner self stronger. How can I become a volunteer? Decide. First decide on if and why you want to become a volunteer. A clear mind will help you become an enthusiastic volunteer. Think about yourself, your strengths, weaknesses, capacity and what skills you can use to serve as a volunteer. Analyze. Grab maximum information on this from your friends, internet and NGOs. Apply. Finally, after things become crystal clear, apply to become a volunteer. Benefits of volunteering. Self-growth sees an increment where community strength is strong. One gets to learn about other people, cultures and regions. One travels a lot of new places under the security of the organization. Your self-confidence increases many folds with your helping hands. You get wiser and stronger every moment. One learns to enjoy responsibilities of life bestowed upon him or her. What things to focus on while becoming a volunteer? You should not be less than 18 years of age. Your duty of care enthusiasm must be strong. Serving others should be your only priority. To earn money should not be your sole goal. What is SHRS? Safe Hands Rehabilitation Society is a thoughtful, independent and philanthropist non-government organization which believes that society has come to run at quite a pace now and some left out things must be sorted. How can you join SHRS as a volunteer? QuickShip. Quick Internship is a short-term volunteering internship for the duration of 1 month for the ones carrying word experience. RiseShip. This is a 3 to 6 months internship best suited for the travelers and researchers for them to utilize their skills and knowledge at institutes run by the internship providing organization. Internship. This internship is of a duration of around 6 to 12 months where internees not only deliver skills and ideas for the institute's programs but also turn ideas of theirs into successful and impactful programs. No job or financial support is promised during internship from the organization's end, but the organization does help guide the internees into the right direction in times of such need. How can I join SHRS? With your utter selfless interest to serve, you can reach us through our contact number, email address, social sites, website or through any current volunteer. We have Pan-India NGOs network which would help you to do volunteering services even in your native place. Apart from our regular projects, the volunteers can be part of crowdfunding campaigns and fundraising social events. Volunteers can work on these platforms as project makers, creative designers, creative writers, and event planners.